Microsoft Teams just got a lot smarter. It can now tell when you're actually in the office automatically. But some say it's crossing a line. Microsoft is rolling out a new feature in December 2025 that detects when employees are in the office, all through company Wi-Fi. When your device connects to the company Wi-Fi, Teams automatically updates your location, showing coworkers and managers that you're on site. This automatic detection feature is sparking a privacy debate. Is it for transparency, or is it a form of tracking? Let's dive deeper into how this new feature functions. Your device simply connects to the office Wi-Fi, and Teams handles the rest by updating your location automatically. Once updated, your in-office status becomes visible to both your coworkers and managers, ensuring everyone knows who's on site. What is Microsoft's goal with this new feature? Microsoft states this feature is designed to make hybrid work smoother, easing coordination for teams. The aim is to help teams better coordinate and know who is working remotely and who is physically in the office. However, this feature raises significant privacy concerns. Critics warn this could easily turn into digital micromanagement, making employees feel constantly under surveillance. While admins can disable it and it's off by default, the feature ignites a debate. When does transparency become tracking? This feature points to a larger question about the future of workplace technology. When does smart tech become too smart, crossing into areas employees are uncomfortable with? As workplace tools become more connected, it's getting harder to distinguish where connection ends and control begins. So what are your thoughts on this new Microsoft Teams feature? Would you be okay with your office automatically tracking your presence? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Cyberbrief for more tech insights and news.